Good morning. So today we are on short haul. Well, the whole week we're on short haul. Today we are on Hanover there and back. Tomorrow is Toulouse, and then we have a Manchester night stop on Thursday. So I thought we would spend the week with me. It's not very rare I get short haul, but I'm kind of happy for short haul this week, I can't lie. It's currently 5:20 and I check in just after 6, so I need to be making my way. So let's go to Germany, I guess. So that is day one finished. It is now 12:43, which means we're going to be home just after 1:30. It's not bad at all. Ad's not going to be home till 4:30, and then we're going to cook like a spag bowl, something easy, nothing crazy, chill day. It's a busy week, so it's a chill day.
Best Coke in the game. Let's go. 39p.
Bang bang. What is it with people looking at my feet?
Right, I'll do it. It's alright. Megan's job was first mince, which she didn't do. Then cutting up stuff, which she didn't do. Then pasta, which she didn't do.
Yeah, that's because everyone is posting feet emojis on my recent TikTok post. My feet aren't even in it.
My mum always taught us to eat vegetables in spag bowl. Now spag bowl always has lots of vegetables.
Yeah, but now spag bowl has turned very much into a fruit bowl, and
so now Megan has to eat vegetables.
That's just like, it's a bit colourful for a spag bowl, if you know what I mean.
Shout out.
Ta-da!
Ta-da!
I think you've got a meal for a family of 7.
You're fat.
Oh.
Dog!
Okay, so the time is currently 10:05, and we are waking up at 3 AM for work tomorrow. We haven't even packed our bag for Manchester, so we're gonna do this now. Literally just going so chill. Leggings, t-shirts, jumper, and gym gear. And that's it. I'm supposed to be leaving in 10 minutes. Come on, let's get ready. I literally got ready in like 7 minutes, but we need to go and make a coffee now. Oh no, no thank you. No thanks. Okay, so today is currently Wednesday. We are going to Toulouse and back. It's currently 5:10. We report at 5:30, so I really need to get going. And there's my little proof that anyone that goes like, how can you sit in like all your comfies and look like a mess on standby? I literally did my hair and not my skincare in 7 minutes today, despite getting changed. So what's that, 3 minutes? I can literally get ready in 15 minutes. Despite making coffee, that coffee machine actually takes longer than like me running a half marathon, so it's just so long. Here's my little, jeez bro. God, I look like I've just entered the red light district. My little tip for anyone who drives to work: drive in your dressing gown, drive in your fluffy Crocs, and then thank me later. You're so much cozier and warmer Oh, it's so cold out there. Okay, we actually need to get going, so let's go. Oh, hello. It's currently 1 o'clock. We did end up landing like 20 minutes early, which is always nice. Both flights were super quiet, less than half full. I don't know what it is, but yesterday and today, I've just had really empty flights and I'm definitely not mad about it. Good morning. We have to leave at 22. Good morning. It is currently Thursday, 4:30 AM and I feel like death. I'm so tired. I report just after 5, so I need to head over to the airport. We've got quite a quick day in terms of flights. We're going to Dublin first and then Manchester, and we're spending the night in Manchester, so we should get to the hotel just after 3 PM. I've never been to Manchester with work, so it should be fun. I'm not sure exactly what I'm gonna do. I mean, I'd like to get my nails done, truth be known, because she's a little bit grown out. But yeah, again, we're getting picked up at the hotel from 4 AM. Anyway, let's head over to the airport and then I'll probably catch up with you somewhere in Manchester. Probably in my hotel room. I'll see you there. Yeah, you're fine. So I've just got to my room and I'm in 2 minds of what to do because I'm so tired. Literally been up since 3. It is currently now 3:05. So we've been up 12 hours. We're knackered. We've done 3 flights. The view's not viewing. Let me show you. Okay, this is the view. I mean, she's not great, but we're literally here less than 12 hours, so. I am starving though, so do I walk to Mackey's? It's about 5 minutes away and there's like a Primark a few minutes down the road. Or do I go to sleep? Because my eyes are so heavy. Okay, we've decided to go out. This is the fit. Very basic, very neutral. We're gonna head over to Primark and then we are gonna head over to McDonald's. I'm not really too sure what I fancy from McDonald's yet, but all I know is I want a lot of food. What have I got in here? Yeah, look at that. That's gross. I am obsessed with this. We are back and it is freezing outside, but let me tell you that Primark in that shopping centre I was at on Thursday at 5 PM is not for the weak. Oh my god, I don't think I've ever seen a Primark that busy. So I went for the barbecue bacon wrap with some mozzarella dippers. That's so good. Anyway, I'm gonna stop rambling and I'm gonna go to sleep, which means I'm gonna see you at 3 AM tomorrow, which is ridiculous, but tomorrow is the last day. and then we're gonna sleep all weekend, and then we're gonna do it all again next week. Be a flight attendant, they said. It's fun, they said. Ugh. How are flight attendants like glamorous? This is generally my reality. We're back in Heathrow now. It's currently 3 o'clock and I wasn't supposed to finish till 3:30. So that means being in my car at probably like 3:45. I would usually end this vlog here as it's my last day in the working vlog, but it's Valentine's Day and I want to show you what we've got for dinner because it's actually really exciting. Wow. Actually, I don't think it's that exciting, but for me, because I get to eat it. Anyway, let's go home. Can you explain what's in the food?
In our dinner tonight on Valentine's, we have got big Yorkshire pud, camembert bites, pigs in blankets, chicken, peas,
Sweet
broccoli, carrots,
fucking hell.
peas, sweet
It's a
corn.
bit too thick.
I like it thick.
Yours looks very green and healthy, I have to say.
Thank you.
Okay,